This is Lainey. So my sister's visiting us for Christmas. Hi, Nance. So I'm gonna ask her to greet Lainey because Lainey has never met my sister. Lainey's very friendly people, relaxed, and just a really sweet girl. Oh, look at that tail wagging. Wagging. Such a good girl, Lainey. Wanna go to bed? Go up in bed. Let's go. Good girl, Lainey. Hi. I can video. You have to go. Hey, treat. Oh, okay, go up. I'm gonna go up bed. Good girl. Oh, look at how sweet. You're butt button. You're butt button. Okay, I know. I'm here. Such a happy dog. Happy-go-lucky, relaxed, and very gentle people. Even my son at 7. Very good temperament. You're gonna have a home soon, Lainey. You're gonna be a lucky girl. Yeah, you're gonna be a lucky girl. Aww. Okay, yeah. And she's playful, and she can always also be calm. And she can be left alone in a room, no problem, and also with other dogs. Look at that tail wagging. Aww. Yeah, what a sweetheart. Okay, what a sweetie.